Well, we've crossed the halfway threshold now. We've got 10 of us here, so we're not going to be in class very long. So these folks that are late, they're going to miss class because it's going to like, where'd everybody go? I don't know. We were here. Where were you? Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's get up on the screen and see what algebra looks like this week. We've done exponential logarithm functions. We've done matrices. We've been doing rational functions. So what are we doing now? Let's go to our grade screen, scroll down past all these matrices. Oh, look, we're down to the rational equations exam. That's what we have this week, 6.05. We are finishing up module 6. So, last week we had the asymptotes and how to solve rational equations. The week before that, we had how to simplify and find discontinuities or holes, vertical asymptotes. So now we have just the test. So let's go ahead and take a look at the test. Let's go to 6.05 right there, rational equations exam. All right, so when you start this baby up, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, just 8 questions. Just 8 questions. 6 of them are multiple choice. You have to simplify this equation down to its simplest form. Another simplify. Identify restrictions on the domain, basically discontinuities, right? Which is lesson 4.02 or 6.02 in case I renumbered them actually. What are the discontinuities and zeros of this function? Oh, where does it cross the x-axis? What is the zero of this function and discontinuity? What are the vertical asymptotes? All right, of this function here. Solve for x with this rational equation. 2/3 equal x minus 1/5. Show all work to identify the asymptotes and zero of this function. So you got to show your work there. It's worth 10 points. Notice these are only worth 5 points. You get more points when you show me you know more. And then the last one, aquarium's got red and blue fish in it. So you got to figure out the percentages, how many blue fish in this problem. Your problem may be different. There's more than one choice there. So, all right, 2 show your work problems, 6 multiple choice exam. So I guess it's worth 50 points. 50-point exam. So rational equations. We'll finish this up this week and then move on to something else. April, we're going to have to kick it in gear if we're going to finish up the year here next month, which that's the plan, right? Finish up the year next month. Since it's April now, we can talk like that. So, all right. Well, any questions? Guys, this is just test week. I don't have anything new to teach you because you've been taught. Now you get a chance to show off and say, look, all I know about rational equations. So don't let anyone fool you. It is April 1st because, this is not a joke. We really do have a test this week. So no April Fools there. So, all right, guys. Well, I don't need to keep you since we just have a test. If you want to ask questions, please hang around. I'll be here. But otherwise, if you want to go get started on your test now, or if you're not finished with some of the assignments from the last couple of weeks, you should do those first so that you know what you're doing before you take the test. Because I want you to be able to just nail this and ready to move on. So, all right, guys, I'll be here Wednesday, but Friday is a B day. So we don't have class on Friday, but I'll be here Wednesday. So if you need to be here or want to be here, I'll be here Wednesday. But this is just a test this week. No new lesson. So go forth and test. Have a April Fool's Day.